Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. We're back once again at Spotify Camp Nou for another full construction updates around the stadium, checking in on how this massive rebuild continues to progress day by day. Even when changes feel subtle, there's always important work happening behind the scenes. If you enjoy these detailed updates, please make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Let's get started. We begin today's update at the south side of Spotify Camp Nou. This area is structurally well advanced, with louver support connections already installed across all bracket levels. Behind the facade, interior walls have now been painted black, offering a much clearer preview of the final visual appearance. Diagonal support elements are being installed, helping define the geometry of the facade. While several brackets are still awaiting final paint and finishing, the groundwork here is complete, and this section appears ready for more visible progress as activity increases. We move along to the lateral side of the stadium, where progress is far more visible. Near the parking ramp, retaining walls are now fully concreted, with formwork panels removed across most sections. Only small areas remain before this zone is completely finished. Along the facade, ceramic louver installation continues steadily. Lifting platforms are positioned along the lower section that forms the false ceiling, with new louvers being lifted, aligned, and secured from below. Protective plastic remains on recently installed panels, while additional louvers are staged nearby, ready for installation. Even if daily progress feels gradual, this side is clearly advancing in a controlled and methodical way. If you are enjoying these detailed updates, please make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss any of our daily construction updates. We then make our way to the north goal. This area remains focused on structural preparation and internal works, with much of the formwork still in place compared to other sides of the stadium. Protective netting limits visibility, but movement can still be spotted along internal beams and corridors. Prefabricated seating units continue to arrive in large numbers, filling the space behind us and giving a clear sense of how quickly the third tier is taking shape. One of the most important developments here is the installation of new louver supports in the central section. Finally, we arrive at the Tribuna, where progress is more refined and detailed at this stage of the project. Interior works dominate this zone, with plasterboard walls in place and rock wool insulation being installed across large sections behind the facade. Several compression ring pillars remain in various stages of formwork, indicating continued advancement of one of the stadium's most critical structural systems. Prefabricated seating units are arriving regularly, and entire sections of the third tier are now nearing completion. That's going to wrap up today's update from Spotify Camp Nou. Progress continues across all sides of the stadium, even if the changes are more subtle at this advanced stage of the rebuild. Every step brings this iconic venue closer to its final form. Thanks for watching today's MegaVerse Builds video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon with another full update from the Camp Nou.